back at Northwest Nomads.
Northwest Nomads. Here we are, baby.
Frankie spent the last 5 days driving our truck and trailer combo across the country completely solo, while Everly and I stayed back in Canada and then flew in to meet him. After we reunited,
Hey, my ladies! We made it!
we made our way over to Northwest Nomads for our first night as a family in our new rig.
What's your first order of business?
Getting pizza, of course.
It's cheesy.
Yeah, we've got 5 actually.
Are you gonna put anything on it?
Yeah, I'm gonna throw some pepperoni if there's
My cousin Vinny's pizza.
Hey,
Boy from us.
Oh
God, I have to make a pizza for you guys? Damn it.
Sorry.
You have standards.
We'll eat it no matter what.
Is it New York, right?
Yeah?
Let's take a moment to just find is make some noise. Hey, yeah, you all know.
Can you say pizza?
Okay, up next we have an exterior shower.
Cheese. She said
by-
cheese. Pizzazz.
Can you get cheese, Everly? How do we do
Cheese.
Easy RV exterior shower outfit. Someone's gonna.
That was funny. You gonna eat that one?
There's a name on it, right?
Good morning. We had a lovely evening last night. Pretty late one for Everly, but early one for the party.
When Alex says that she had an early night, she was probably sleeping by 8. And because I got back at about 10.
Well, so last night was the pre-party because it was early access only ticket holders. Still very busy. Like I got here and I was like, wow, there's so many rigs. But that was just the preview.
It was fun.
It was super fun.
The music was great.
And the vibes are so good and the people are nice. And then it was so quiet for sleeping last night, which was
Excellent.
fabulous. It's only 5:30 because we're still adjusting to the time. So I'm assuming there's not a party happening yet.
We did get invited over to our friends Andrew and Suzanne's rig for the morning coffee. Alex just said to me, "Do you think they're awake?" No! No! It's 5:30 in the morning. No one's awake. Except for us and maybe 4 other people max that came from the East Coast.
The garden bells are definitely awake.
Yeah.
She said they were up at 3 a.m. yesterday, so today, probably the same.
You can send her a text and say, "Hey, you guys."
Hey, you want to party? Let's
We can hang out with the kids
go!
if you want. What a fun spout. Barely even tipping it right now. But you do have to be careful that you don't overfill it. Because when it heats up, it starts to come out of the tip.
Oh, really?
It just did, yeah.
Frank thinks it's a Beauty and the Beast kettle.
It feels like it.
Does that make you the Beauty or the Beast?
I'm definitely the beast. Who even asked that question? Look at this face. It looks like a beast.
We want eggs. We want eggs. We want eggs.
Yeah, you tell him. I've created a dippy monster.
Whoops.
Whatever gets on the table, I can just sand it. Yeah, no, you know what I'm saying? Like, not right now, but... The last time we were standing in front of the stage, our van was right here. It was sitting right here. It was the first van we were living and traveling out of. It was called Lolo. And yeah, it was crazy because this is the last event. This is the last spot it was at before we sold it. And it shipped out right from here. So many good memories.
She does love her rocks. Hey, look, all the babies are over here, Everly.
Now instead of our rig being there, we have our baby there.
Go check it out.
Thank you. Hey, do you know what number that is? 2. No, it's 3. That was close though. Ow! Don't throw them. You stacking? Oh, try again.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go back.
What's up, guys? Ember, that's Everly. She's right there in the pink jacket.
That boy is Indy.
Indy, yeah. Yeah.
What's that boy's name? Hi, how are you?
Good.
Nice to see you. What is this hanging out?
That's Ember's wood hammer.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah.
Okay, I'll push you. Whoa.
You're doing so good.
Ready?
You want
more?
Okay, Mama.
Okay. You got it, Mama?
Yeah.
Ready, Ember?
Right now is like the calm before the storm. I know the baby went away, but she'll be back. So because last night was early access, today actually everybody else arrives. So we've got a couple hours of like chill time. And then at noon, the gates will open and everybody will join us. We're taking it. Oh! And then we'll have someone to play Jenga with.
I've noticed our power is a little low at the moment, and maybe it is because we have that AC unit on it and a bunch of stuff that we wouldn't have had previous. And we also don't have a DC to DC charger when we're driving, which makes a huge difference. And so we're not pumping in enough solar with our panels, and we're gonna have to move. We're gonna have to find a hookup. And we just had some friends configure around a little bit so that way we could get in there and have a hookup and be comfortable while we're here at the event. Because, you know, if we're going to be here for 5 days and we don't have power for 4 of them, how fun will it be?
If we'd already had our Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 by then, we wouldn't have had this problem. That's because with a 1500 watt output, you can power pretty much everything with your Jackery Explorer. And when it's time to recharge, it goes from 0 to 100% in just about an hour, which is faster than ever. It's 30% lighter and 18% smaller, and with the handy handle, it's easy to take anywhere you go, and when you get there, it doubles as a table. With multiple ports and smart app control, you can keep all your devices charged while tracking your power output in real time. And with built-in LiFePO4 batteries, you know it's high quality. It's built to last for 10 years and has a warranty of 5. We especially recommend grabbing Jackery's dual product bundle. During Prime Big Day deals October 7th and 8th, you'll save up to 65% off the lowest price of 2025. Thank you to Jackery for partnering with us on this video. Power your family's adventures with the Jackery 1000 Explorer. Check the link down below.
All right, look, right now I got Isaac here next to me. We haven't seen each other in 5 years. So much so that we both have had kids since then.
Yeah.
It's crazy, right?
Yes, sir.
And this this is basically the spot that we met, all of us.
Yes,
right?
sir. Filipinos forever.
Very reasonable price.
Say thank you.
Considering we're in the middle of the desert.
Everybody say thank you. You can, go ahead.
Silly
Thank
goosers.
you. She likes the vibe. Ready, Everly? Watch this. Everly, you want to come up here?
Is it just for kids?
I mean, I think it might hold you. You want to go in that one with Mama? Okay, go ahead. Very cool.
Mommy's coming in. Okay, Daddy, push it.
Okay, here we go. I don't think it swings much, ladies. We're gonna just go around in circles. This is the stuff right here. Oh, that's a cool view. Oh yeah.
Daddy, you're swinging. Come right here.
Wanna go over there?
Okay.
Okay, well that lasted about a total of 30 seconds, not even 10, maybe.
Okay.
Alex sat down and she immediately was like, Mommy, Mommy. Throw them in. Everly, throw the bags in the hole. Throw it in the hole. Oh, slippery.
Spiritual Shannon. Enthusiastic Emily.
Bombastic Blake.
Teethy Tina. Much love, Michelle.
Grateful Ted.
Yeah. Feels good though.
You gonna film something?
You want to film the doggies?
Way to have
Oh.
kids, by the way.
Oh. I'm very excited about it. Yeah, your hand like this, and then you keep filming, okay? Yep, put it down there. You want the lens to be showing. There you go. Oh, you can get the pause? Okay, cool. People, some friends. Catch up. Oh, babe, you got a dragonfly on your head. Yep, right there. That's cool. Turn around. Yeah, it's literally chilling. That's awesome.
Really?
Yeah.
I can't see it.
Well, of course you can't see it. Hold on, I'll take a picture if I can.
I got a bug on my
Stay
head.
right there, don't move. Oh, it literally just flew away.
I'll have to check the footage.
Yeah. Mom to the rescue.
The sun in Oregon is strong. Can you see your puppy? Hi. We love puppies. Hi. Hello. Oh, yeah.
Oh, George!
Got the moves. What is that, shimmy a day?
Oh, yeah.
See you guys.
See you later, Joe.
You want to go over there and see the dancing? Dolphin's multicolored. We made dinner. That's all my brain can do right now.
These burgers are delicious, but they definitely made a spattering on the camp stove, on the Amaze Chef. But I'll tell you what, that thing cooks really good. And I'm looking forward to using the oven part of it, because we have yet to do that. And I'm looking forward to the day that Alex bakes some bread.
Ember's trying to get her way with tears.
Yeah, it's gonna happen. Kids will be kids.
Performing for us. We are super blessed to have them. And tonight, at 7:45, Trevin's Club.
On Wild 10.
Put that on your head?
Look at the butterfly wings.
Here's another one. So excited.
Oh my gosh.
There.
Michelle is so sweet. She got Everly some wings and a unicorn horn.
Mama can do it. Mama can do it. Oh, you
Do you want the unicorn horn on too?
Do you want the headband?
Yeah?
Not that you want added things for your small space, but I thought, you know what?
You want Daddy to put that on? Okay. Here you go. You want Daddy to put it on?
You look so pretty.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Shimmies with them on someday. Can you do the dance? I love watching your shimmies every morning. Thank you.
They're already melting?
How is it, Everly? Good. Yeah.
Very good.
Nobody cares who you are if you're not playing country music pretty much most of your set. But
I'm getting older, I'm getting honest. Where come from? Your vision gets blurry. Thank you.
it's the last time you see this guitar for the show, so say goodbye, everybody.
Bye. You want Daddy to go get chairs?
Them a broken marriage where they're trying to have an affair in a cave, and that's the whole song. But it's a banger. No pun intended. I didn't even mean to do that. That's a good one.
Northwest Nomads has so much to offer, and we're excited to share the rest of the week with you. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video because it's going to be totally FnA.